Hi, today I'm going to show you how to make a ring out of wood. To start off, we'll need to drill a hole that would fit your finger. I'm using a 20mm drill bit, but use a ring that fits your finger to measure the hole you need to drill. Now that we have the hole drilled, we can start sanding down the outside. I have sanded down most of the outside using a belt sander. Now I will sand it down further using a higher grit sanding paper on a disc sander. To sand down the inside, I'm sticking some sandpaper onto a wooden dowel using duct tape, which I will then put into a drill press. To make the ring as smooth as possible, I used the highest grit sanding paper I could find. Now that we have the ring in the shape we want, we can start varnishing it. But before we varnish it, we just need to wipe it clean with a clean cloth. I'm using a piece of bent wire to dip the clean ring into the varnish and then hang it up to dry. Thank you for watching. Like this video if you think it deserves it. If not, leave a comment why. If you have any other great DIY projects you would like me to try, leave them in the comments. Subscribe if you like these kinds of videos, and see you next time. Bye.